Hello everyone, magandang oras sa atin lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys, at kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung 10 times ng France, mayroong taon ng 1995. So share ko lang ang story dito guys, dahil napakagandang story nito guys. Nung unang panahon. So ito yung ating tinatawag na New France. The France or franchise, FR, also commonly distinguished as the French francs, was a currency of France between 1360 and 1641. It was the name of coins worth of 1 livre, tournois, and it remained in common parlance as a term for this amount of money. It was reintroduced in decimal form in 1795. After 2 centuries of inflation, it was redenominated in 1960 with its new francs, NF being worth of 100 old francs. Napakatagal guys, talaga naman ito yun. Sample natin to guys sa ating history. 10 livres or 10 centimes. The NF or the New France designation was continued for a few years before the currency returned to being simply the francs. Many French residents thought continued to quote prices of especially expensive items in the terms of the old France, equivalent to the new centimes. Ito na yun guys, ang new centimes. Up to and even after the introduction of the euro for coins and banknotes in 2002, the French franc was a commonly held international reserve currency of reference in the 19th and 20th centuries. Between 1998 and 2002, the conversion of francs to euros was carried out at a rate of 6.55957 francs to 1 euro.